Hi everybody, today we're going to demonstrate how you're going to get the Ulysses Micro to have the radar slave function working with the simrad displays. So the radar slave function works very well with the simrad displays. You could possibly do this with the Garmin as well as the Furunos, but at this present moment getting this working with the simrad is the simplest. Okay, let me show how it's done. So first thing you need to do is that you got to go to the settings of the display and check what the address is going to be. So go to network, click Nema 183, click Ethernet wireless, and you will see that the IP address over here. Take note of this guy, and there's 169.254.81.109. It's going to be different on different displays, so you got to check your own display and see what the IP address is. So once you take note of this, you go back to the camera and goes to the menu, setup menu. You can scroll it to Nema. Okay, so now you see, okay, in default, this is going to be like that, and you just need to make sure that you key in the correct one. So it's 81.109. So once you're done, click set, okay, and turn on the Nema server. Okay, so when that's done, you get out, into this screen again, and to see how this is going to work, you create a shortcut like this. So you have the camera over here, you have radar over here, and you could have map or your echo sounder or whatever you have over here. But right now we're going to demonstrate how you're going to have this slave to the radar. So to have the camera start following the radar cursor, so what you need to do is you go to the this icon over here. By default it's off, so you got to turn it on. All right, you turn it on. You will start following slave to the radar cursor. But if you find that there are too much steps in this, you can create a shortcut on the function key. So to assign that to the function key, you just go to the menu again, go to function and click radar. All right, so you see right now there's a little icon that's blinking right now, so it's actually waiting for the radar input, and if you have a cursor data, you will slave to that cursor position. So I can turn it off right now using the function key. Remember, I've already assigned the function key to it, and now if I click again, the function key goes on, it comes up. All right, so now if I were to click the radar, like over here, the camera will turn. If I click over here, the camera turns the other way, and if I were to click here, it goes there. And I can click it again, it goes this way. All right, so the radar slave function will cancel once you have a manual input. For example, once I do a manual input, the radar slave is gone. Okay, stop it. Okay, so when you want to slave to the radar again, like for example this particular position, what you need to do, you go back to the shortcut button, it goes there again.